Hello Aquarius, welcome to the place. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Thank you for all kind of like appreciation, donations, likes, comments, everything. Okay, and follow me, yes, on SSHELLS Seychelles running, and we're going to begin here. Timeless readings. I heard like what if, WHATIF, what if. Now what if is all about exclamations, okay, surprises. What if is also about question mark in your life. What if you are going to contact the one, what if they are going to return, what if, okay, that kind of energy. And one card that came out is 8 of dragonflies, and here it is cup, okay, 8 of cups energy. Something is pointing in your life, pointing towards something is about that one who is over here, possible, might be hovering, might be on and off. If that is not the case, it is someone you walked away from, you distanced yourself, okay. Now it again doesn't matter whether you live in the same city and you just distance yourself, like a no contact season might be going on here. But whatever is here, it is something that is still pouring, like, or there's a thought here. Maybe you are thinking of what if is also about what they might be thinking, because I feel that some of you might be going through the season where you have that question of like, what if they might be thinking about me, what if whatever I am thinking, they are also doing the same there, okay. Maybe at the same time you people are thinking about one another. Now I don't want to give you fantasy world, okay, but sometimes we need those desires and that little bit of fantasy as well to have our positive, thought process and moving on. But there is 8 of dragonflies. You people possible, both of you right now, if this is about energies, you people might be in the situation of like not talking, no contact, okay. And it is also about, no, I'm not going to give them the cup like this. I'm not going to do the cup, like this. It's like upside down, and I'm not going to show my feelings, okay, or emotions that I've already done. Someone over here is really confused, okay. Someone over here is really confused. Now this may be your own energy, or this may be this person's energy. However this fits your situation, the overall vibe, you want to take it as like between you both, or between, around you. Whatever is here, it's like a hovering thought, yes, of course, but it is also something that you need to a little bit calm down in order to see, or maybe they need to calm down in order to see. And when calm down is not like, no, not like that. It's something you need to stand still to view the dragonfly. Have you ever done that? Like, I hope so that you have done it. Why? Because if you're going to move with the dragonfly, I did one of the readings where I mentioned that if you're going to move with the dragonfly, doing like this, because she is or he is hovering, you won't be able to see the face of the dragonfly. Not even feathers. Like the wings, whatever that is, okay? Not the wings, feathers, feather. Yeah. Recording time 0333. Then I took out one card. What's that? And it is reunion. This flipped actually. Believe it or not. Sometimes because we are off camera and we are meditating and we take out cards, So this card came out. So there's going to be certain kind of reality check. How far you can go with me. How far you are supposed to come, okay? This is distance, this is miles, this is kilometers, this is possible just meters. This is possible, in your neighborhood, there. However this is, it's also emotional distance that is now, and the one who is not or unable to view the person clearly. So they need to hold that person in order to see them clearly after so long. I mean, people need to understand the situation, that why cup is upside down. What if? There's also, even if you don't know if this is about this reunion, because I asked about it, okay, so what if is about the reunion. What if we are going to have this reunion? What if we are going to meet like this, okay? Because there is something from both the sides, okay? Now I want to take out one card here. Some of you might be dealing with the Emperor, Aries in particular. I heard the word, they're right there. Right there. So maybe the distance is not much. I mean, you might be able to see them, or you see them. This may be just an example, like an elevator, possible, not necessary though. Okay. It is about you always make way away from this. The reason might be the lot of the confusions accumulated, or things that you don't want to portray, or someone who is confused or was confused. You don't want that kind of energy. Okay, what if? But let's see what is with this person. Definitely there is this energy of like 8 of Cups, that was it right to be away, or is it right to be away? But with the reunion concept, there is definitely resurgence kind of energy. Okay, so let me see what is, if there is this person, of course, any kind of energy in your life right now. What is going on with them, or what is with them? You are not talking, or at least you're not confronting anything, confessing anything. You're not doing it. I feel like you've done it already. Now, it was supposed to be back then kind of energy, but now you being the dragonfly, you're flying away from that. Okay, so there's certain kind of indication, follow up possible, might be happening, and this is about where you're going. They might be checking that. Okay, so it's from amongst them, the reunion is the call. Let me see what's with this person. There was moon beneath, like bottom energy. That was a Piscean or some. Okay. Okay, let me see now. So you have King of Bees, which is sword energy. First thing, you don't believe. Okay. Of course, there are trust issues, I feel. Now here also, it is about where you are heading, what you are holding. You're holding something very important. And for you, your crown, your tiara, however you take it, as a crown of a male or a female, but this is about the crown. That matters, okay? Now this is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. King of Bees is a sword vibe here. You're very busy maintaining something, follow up. And it is also about pearls. So pearls is also about something very royal, authentic, luxurious, and pure. You're working for something with a pure heart, okay? And definitely when bees are working, the sting is on. Like if someone is going to create problems for them, they're going to sting, of course, just to protect themselves. This is survival of the fittest. That might be going on here. You are fighting. This is survival of the fittest amongst emotions and the reunion call, or the thought of that. What if? Okay. Now with this person, we just talked about what is with this person. I feel like if we take this energy as just an Aquarius, then they are thinking about having conversation, but they are dropping that idea of doing it time and again. But they really I feel maybe for some cases it is a regret, or maybe they're sad of letting you go kind of energy. They know it, that they have done it wrong. They know that you are the queen. They know that you're not going to you're not going to get involved with something that is not supposed to be now. Okay, I mean, they know that you have done all. Okay, so this person, and in the midst of you both, so clear, is about that this 8 of Cups, and with the King of the sword energy bees, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, I feel like they are thinking about having this reunion and return back, kind of like a U-turn. Okay, now this may not resonate with every one of you, but I do feel, okay, there's a lot that was supposed to be said and done, but it was not done properly. Now we're going to see what is coming ahead, because I feel this is about someone is missing, absence of emotions, and they want this reunion. And this person is definitely thinking about, but I also see here that time is ticking and people are maintaining here pearls and everything, kind of like authentic or authenticity. It is also about certain kind of work situations, positions here, and how we're supposed to talk. This is also about in the midst of you growing as in like a fame industry, if it is something here, speciality of your life and your work. And I also see you're too busy, and this person is also heading towards as an individual. They're very busy, okay? They are creating, like they're collecting that honey. Let me see what is with this person. You may be the young woman here, as in King of Bees, regardless of being king. This may be male, female energy, but there is this either young woman this person is thinking about you. Okay, so you might be the woman in their life, and again, these are just words, young woman kind of, but for some maybe specific. However this is coming, I have to give that. But revealing that you might be the one they're thinking about, and being away is the point. Okay, yes, that is the point. You may receive certain message, so messenger might be possible. This is about invitation of let's unite, invitation of I want to meet you, invitation of something. What if, because this is what if, is like, what if I go there, what if, you know, but you are all well prepared and well done. There's a conversation coming. For some cases there's going to be family conversation or friends conversation, but mostly like you're going to have certain conversation with people you are comfortable with. I feel like it is this energy of like you are comfortable in certain kind of aura and you are very much fine with that. Okay, there is certain faithfulness being returned to you. Okay, I heard faithfulness will be returned to you. So maybe this is from the person who does want to talk to you, and I feel like this is what the talk is all about. They were and is like still are your like loyal friend kind of energy is here. And if this is person who is coming all the way because they miss you, being away, no contact is law of attraction. If it is manifesting in this scenario, I feel you are heading towards meeting faithful love in your life, or faithful, you know, relationship here. That's for sure. Wow, interesting energy. Something is all tied up. You have the bottom energy as all tied up, like it was supposed to be. It is all connected. The way we talk as like everything works in vibration and all the most stuff there, but it is also the energy of like everything is connected. So you are and they are connected with you, but all tied up is also that someone is trying to unleash whatever is on their mind right now. So this may be your energy or their energy, like someone is looking out for you. There's okay, caring connection. For many of you, there's going to be caring connections or connection in the picture. Okay, someone, whoever this person is, they do care for you. Okay, now this may be coming as a surprise in your life, like you know, many of the things that universe pour on us, we don't expect it. Okay, some things are planned. Even we have decided like, oh, I'm going to wear this dress for this occasion, and at the end, like at the nick of the time kind of, we change. Okay, because we don't want to wear that. It is also about something that you might be thinking about, and this is going to enter. Okay, I feel like this person is like all the way they're going to surprise you with flowers. There's a strategy. Look, this card flip, which is interesting. This is like a direction approach. I feel like, just look at this. This is about the direction, like someone is using the compass and they are strategizing what is going to be my next thing or plan. Now, not for the ill or negative. This is something, your own journal, you might be writing some stuff. This may be something that you practice. This is about money. This is about your strategy for the next move. You have feathers. You have feather here. I have a feather here. The color doesn't matter, okay, but it matters in symbolism if you believe in. But with the journal, I heard it's a journal log, but I heard journal joy. Okay, so something is going to be written. It's going to be unleashing. You're going to possibly write dear diary, like it possible you are having that album or diary of writing the memories. You've been doing that. However, this is something that is coming. Okay, caring connection, and it was supposed to be coming in this format. Interesting. Wow. You're going to be holding certain position now. Women holding a coin, and coin does present pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, vibe. But I feel like this is your energy apart from any kind of sign, because these are oracle cards also. So however, they're telling me that this is going to be some important and caring connections you're going to be in. It is also something important that you're going to hold. It is about the position. Okay, let me see what is coming in the future. Though I've told you here, but let's see from the tarot. It is also Ace of Dragonflies, which is Ace of Cups. Unexpected directional approach, and this is about someone who is going to express this what direction was. This is the one you're going to stop and see. Now for many of you this is about reunions of past energies, if it pertains. For many of you this is about, you know, new, like a map is opening up and there is a new direction and new follow up, and then the person is here. But whatever is going to happen, this is going to be you know, I heard the word natural, so naturally you're letting it flow. This is someone who is going to enter in your life. Okay, Ace of Cups is about someone who is going to be very much faithful here. The love. Okay, let's see what is coming. I heard like unknown expression, like this is again unexpected. You are not expecting, but they are going to do it. Can you give us the energy? The moon. So with the moon, there may be a Piscean, as I said in the startup. There's going to be something happening, and it's going to be one after the other. So it's going to be expression, no camouflage. It is about someone who is going to be very loyal, and I feel for some cases, this is someone who is going to be who is going to turn into, from friendship or from some connection or from no contact or just like a faithful friend, into wolf. Okay, which means that they want to be with you. Okay, they want to be with you. This wolf is sniffing around. My one of the readings got a hit, like kind of, and I expect that people are wishing my channel to grow like a rocket, like to move like a rocket, and you know, other stuff like a global warming. Okay, we don't need global warming, but as in compliment, thank you so much for that. Thank you. You really appreciate my work, and all of you. So yeah, so this is what is you're going to be having unexpected emotional confrontation and confession in the future regarding love. These cards are beautiful, right? I loved it. I hope that you're going to enjoy these caring connections. I hope that you're going to enjoy this faithful love or faithful friend or whatever your connection is coming. I really wish that the changes, those are coming in your life, those are going to be very, very beautiful. Okay, take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.